How to add or remove C translation option on Instagram bio. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can add or remove C translation option on your Instagram bio. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you're on your home page, navigate to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile page, as you can see, in my profile, there is a bio in a different language rather than the primary language or English language. So in such case, the Instagram will automatically detect the language, and if the language is not in an primary or the English language, there you will find C translation option in my Instagram profile page. So if you see my profile from the other different account, so let's see how it appears in some other account. So here is my profile, and as you can see, there is C translation option. If you tap on it, now the language is translated into English. So that's the way to add C translation option when you add your bio in some other language. Now if you want to remove C translation option, what you have to do is, when you're on your profile, tap on the edit profile option and head towards bio. Now you have to set the bio in English language or your primary language. Then tap on save option. Now go back to your profile. Now once you have set English language or primary language as your bio, you will no longer see C translation option. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.